Hello friends, I'm just making this video for the people who have that written pattern for this dress. I just want to show you how this part is done. So you will attach the new yarn right here at the end, or continue with the one that you are using if you are not changing colors. Then chain one, and you are going to make a shell stitch in the chain one space of the, not the previous round, which will be this one, but the round before that one, which will be this one right here. So this is the chain one, but you will go to the back right here and make the double crochet. One double crochet, two double crochet, three double crochet, chain one, and three double crochet in the same space. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have the shell stitch right there. I will show you one more time. You will skip to the next shell stitch, look for the chain one space and make a shell stitch. Just put this to the front and work on the back. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. And I will show you how to make the picot stitch. This is done only on the very last round of the dress. So you can either chain 2 and make a single crochet, or you can chain 3, whichever you prefer. Then 3 more double crochet stitches, and you will continue doing that all the way around. And this is how it looks, and that's what makes these rounds look like on top of the other round. I hope that helps. Thank you. Bye bye.